Lifespan approach. Limitless possibilities. The morning sun brings in rays of joy, ecstasy, and zeal to live life in all its splendor. To experience the beauty of everything around and appreciate its magnificence. Life enthralls you with its challenges and endows you with experiences that would enhance living. But is this a universal canopy that nurtures all living beings with same care?
ऐसी हम लोग को घर में ऐसे फेंक के रख देने से तो ऐसी मन में एक तो ये याद आ जाता ना बीच में न कभी कभी.
What is our future? What is our plan? What is we have to do our own things? We should not depend on anyone.
We really do not know what will be our future and how we will manage.
What about social security for our children?
Rehabilitation of the disabled needs a review in order to make it successful or make it meaningful. So to see that a person with disability is supported across the life, across the range of problems.
What is needed, therefore, is a holistic approach with a long-term perspective at the early stages of intervention that would help the person with disability for an entire lifetime. And this is lifespan approach. The need to recognize the emerging capacity of a human being, however profound the disability. The need to aim at both incidental and intentional learning that happens only when the adult is exposed to a group setting. The approach is two ways: physical needs and functional needs that comes from life experiences. Lifespan approach that believes in increasing the innate capacity of the individual. Emphasizing on the fact that you are, therefore you think.
I saw Taj Mahal in Agra.
I like movie. I like it very much.
Thus focusing on working on the child today, keeping in mind his future needs. However, there are other aspects too that needs to be taken into account.
So the question really that you need to be asking yourself as a parent is, are there other creative ways to give your child this opportunity for learning? And if there must be a loss, can we be clever about what we are losing? We want mobility, we don't necessarily need walking. We want communication, we don't necessarily need talking. And really, in having a normal life, in hanging out like other kids do, in going out and having a variety of friends, your child has a possibility of practicing life skills.
That's where the alternate and augmentative communication comes in aid. What is important is also the need to empower the young adults into the aspects of self-expression and further embark onto the concept of self-advocacy. Thus, initiating a movement of them, by them, and for them. Moving on to the Middle Ages, there is a definite need to look into the different challenges that comes with it. What is needed is to change the existing support system to provide a better canopy for them to grow organically, a place for them to live and experience life in its fullness. a society where they could simply be without being judged for what they are or what they ought to. Another aspect that is a cause of concern is the need to focus on women with disability. The growing emphasis on the areas such as companionship, marriage, and the need to belong to a social circle. And finally, moving on to the last leg on the attributes of old age. So what is needed here is a combined effort put in by the sector, society and the government.
I think we as rehab professionals, we have a huge role to play here to take that person from one lifespan requirements or needs to the next stage, and we address the transition in such a way that the person himself is not put under any pressure to cope with it suddenly one day when he is out of a rehab institution.
In Tata Steel, we have opened a training center where we have identified some talented special athletes, give them some sort of a scholarship. Let us not get afraid of the challenges which is going to come. The parents who can accept these children as they are and improve them further.
Don't we all want to live life full of fun, happiness, work and laughter? Well, let's make it happen for people with developmental disabilities also, and I think at each stage, whatever the special supports they need, that is what should be provided for them.
This shows that through various modalities and understanding the varied patterns of intelligences, many things are possible. All you need to do is internalize and undertake an approach that would take your entire life in its manifold and capsule it today for a better tomorrow. Discover limitless possibilities, full of enrichment, empowerment and enjoyment with the lifespan approach.